switch.
All right, we're going to attempt to burn down the garage, part 1. All right, so get up in there.
Okay, I'm dropping.
Okay, so it's the far left switch is master. Flip it up and on.
Up and on. On.
Okay, the next one is the blue one.
Blue one.
Should say ECU.
It's on.
All right, so you ready for this one?
Yeah.
You got to flip the right one
Yeah.
while starting it.
Why I'm starting it.
Yep.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, flip.
Yep.
Starting.
Keep starting it. Turn the master off.
Master's off. Yep. You're all off.
I'm gonna do it again. I ran out of gas in the.
Holy cow! Already.
All right, same process.
What do you want me to do whenever you say shut it off? Just shut the master down?
Yeah, shut the main off because it shuts power off to all the switches.
Okay, blue light's on.
Yep.
And you ready?
Yep. Off. Off.
Off. Everything's off.
Ta-da!